Hey folks, first day running one of the Rut Manufacturing Brush Cutters. Ordered it just a couple days ago and it came in 2 days. I was super happy with that. They said it might be 3 to 4 weeks production time, but I got it in like 2 days, so that was pretty cool. So I've got a few other things I've got to rig for my protection screen on the Traco, but just overall a lot of painstaking research on which one of these to buy from the tree slayer. The other grinder and stuff that's there. There's some options, but I'm running a Kubota KX71-3 6,400 pound machine, and I really just came down to weight factor, how well I'll be able to work with the weight of this brush cutter on here, and I went ahead and picked this one. Good deal on it. It's spent about 7 hours cutting today, and it's awesome actually. Grass, okay, it lays it down. It's not sharp blades, but getting into more brush, vines, some tree limbs, it says it'll cut up to 2 inches, and it definitely does. There's some other stuff that was dead, that was big, that just chewed it right up. But a few things on their machine here. It came with the Kubota quick connect ears. It's a 16 GPM max on this, and this KX71-3 happens to be about 13 gallons a minute on the auxiliary line. Some other rigging that's going to go on for these. These are some homemade gigs to just retain this for now, but I've got some diverter blocks that'll go on this after a while. It's got some bolt hole access here, so you can get to your brush cutter blades. So far open on the sides, really nice sweeping back and forth. That's been really great. Upper stuff you kind of have to work into, but with this, a pretty good height on it. Keeping this thing tilted right without a protection screen yet. The tilt angle makes a lot of difference on whether you're going to get stuff thrown back to you, but other than that, I could mention a lot more safety stuff. That'll be on the video, but bought this for saw work, but it works super great. One of the Fanner Protos helmets with the hideaway earplugs and ear protection and screen, and safety glasses underneath that too. But overall, first day with this thing has been, well, I'm excited. It's a happy little boy in a sandbox. But we got a bunch of video that's be shooting up with some different stuff in a retention pond, down in some woods, some other drainages, just some variety today that you got to get into. Be a lot more stuff coming, but check the short clips coming up.